Ever wished you could send unique, personalized messages to a whole list of people without typing each one individually? Let's unlock the power of Mail Merge, turning your Excel data into personalized Word documents like letters, emails, or even labels and envelopes instantly. First, open Microsoft Word and navigate to the Mailings tab at the top. Click on Start Mail Merge for this tutorial. We'll choose letters, but the process is similar for other options. Now, we need to connect your Excel data. Click Select Recipients, then choose Use an Existing List. This will open a window where you'll select your Excel spreadsheet, find it, and click Open. If your Excel file has multiple sheets, Word will ask you to choose which one contains your recipient list. Select the correct sheet and click OK. You can review your list here to ensure everything looks correct. You can even filter or sort if needed. Click OK when you're ready. Now for the magic. Position your cursor where you want the personalized information to appear. Click Insert Merge field. You'll see all the column headers from your Excel sheet. Select the field you want to insert, like first name. Word will insert a placeholder like less than first name, greater than. Then you can repeat this process for all the data points you need: address, city, a custom greeting, and so on. Notice how easily you can build your template. You can add static text around the merge fields to create your complete letter. To see your personalized documents before printing, click Preview Results. You can now cycle through each recipient using the arrows to check how each letter will look. Once you're happy, click Finish and Merge. You can choose to edit individual documents to make final tweaks, print them directly, or even send them as emails. And just like that, you've created a batch of personalized communications, saving yourself hours of manual work.